everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to pay with phone with Revolut. So I've prepared 3 steps here. So step number 1 is to set up Revolut with your digital wallet. So to do that, just download the wallet application and ensure you have Apple Pay for iOS or Google Pay for Android installed in your phone. Looks something like this and this one. And then add your Revolut card. To do that, just open the wallet application, tap on Add Card, and select Debit or Credit Card. Enter your Revolut card details manually or scan the card. Complete the verification via SMS or in the Revolut application. Here. And then step number 2 is to activate contactless payments. Ensure NFC or near field communication is enabled on your phone. For Android, NFC is automatically activated with Apple Pay. And for Android, you just have to go to Settings, tap on Connections, and enable the NFC. It looks something like this. And then for the last step is make a payment. So at the store checkout, confirm that terminal supports contactless payments. Look for the contactless symbol and then unlock your phone. Use the Face ID or Touch ID or PIN. And then you just have to hold your phone near the payment terminal until you see a confirmation. It will vibrate or message on your screen like pop-up notification. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!